We are pleased to show you the 2022 Outback. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a continuously variable transmission. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, roof rack, inside you'll find trip computer, tinted glass, compass. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.